Baby, I need your love. Baby, I need your love from me. It's you that I'm thinking of. Tell me what is it going to?
Getting ready to take the kids to school. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Can somebody take the baby bag, please? Huh?
I got my toy.
Yeah, but you gotta leave that because we were going to school.
But
You gotta leave the toy.
oh.
I'm sorry. Put it up. Don't do that. Take it and put it on the counter. Major, grab the baby bag for me, honey.
Okay. Look.
Thank you, baby. Let's go.
I'm so strong.
Yes, you are. Oh, that's the only thing you asked for in the morning, candy. No, you cannot. See you, Hannah. See you, baby girl. Be back in a little bit, okay? What the hell is going on here?
It's raining, Mama.
You said it's raining? Come on, Kino. It feels good out here. Come on, Kino. Major. I keep the baby stroller in the car just so I can walk them up to the school. Because the walk is so far. Seatbelts on? Okay.
My seatbelt not on yet.
Okay.
Mine's on.
You almost got it, Kino. Good job. But yeah, it's a struggle, y'all, trying to get these kids into school.
The baby going.
Shout out to all the dads that's able to help the mothers when they got like 2 or more children. See, because what I gotta do is I have to put, first of all, get them all ready for school. Then I gotta put the baby in the stroller, you know, in his car seat. Get to the school, pull the stroller out, put him in the stroller just to walk him all the way up because he's not walking fully yet. He is walking though, I'm so happy about that. But he's not walking fully yet. So I have to still put him in the stroller. Take out the stroller and all this. Man, it's crazy. That's all I gotta say. Mornings be crazy. Y'all look who we got. We got Keno and Major.
No, what my seatbelt not working?
I think we're about to go to Chuck E. Cheese.
Yay!
You happy?
Yeah!
We about to go to Chuck E. Cheese, Major?
Yeah, I'm about to get something. Yay!
You happy?
Yeah. Where's no
Good.
working?
Alright, I'm about to help you, boo. Alright, y'all, I guess we about to go to Chuck E. Cheese. Why not? You know, have a little fun with the kids.
I got it.
Y'all, we here. We pulling in. As y'all see, Chuck E. Cheese right there.
Chuck E. Cheese! Chuck E. Cheese! We here? Yeah. Yeah. Chuck E. Cheese! Chuck E. Cheese!
Look how far away it is, y'all.
What? Get my seatbelt off first.
Yes. We about to go in, y'all.
You Chuck E. Cheese.
You too, I love you, Chuck E. Cheese.
Me too. Hi guys. Hi guys. We going to Chuck E. Cheese.
What you about to play? No. Go to normal. There you go. Press it. Yep. You getting it, boo? Oh.
Let's go to the game that
Excuse me. You lost already, boo boo? I guess you can try something else. Are you about to start? What place are you in? Oh, you in? Oh. You in 4th place, Kino. You get it in, boo. Get it, boo. Shoot. Shoot them. Shoot them. Shoot them. Oh. Dang, boo. Let's see what Kino doing. Come on. We're going to go to another game after this. Look at how Kino driving, y'all. You getting it, Kino? Yeah, we're gonna put you on the thing over there, Jun Jun. You want your hat off? There we go. Major, you wanna play this? Come on. Sit down. This is pretty sweet how they got this. You can just like scan this across, y'all. Yes, you can. Go, go. Yes, you can. You can do anything you put your mind to. Yes, you can. You've been doing it. Oh, let me see. It's up as far as it go, boo boo. Let me help you. Here. You finished. You got to be able to reach it, Major. Look at Major. They can't even reach the pedals. See? You can do it. Are you grabbing me, boo boo? Uh-oh, Major doing good. Look at his driving style. Don't put your foot on the left side, Major, just on the right side. There you go. There you go. You got it. Oh, you flying, Kino? Pooka, 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 pooka. You want to take your coat off, boo boo? Take your coat. Major, you came in 4th, boo. Look. Came in 4th place. All right, we going to the next game, Major. You almost done, Kino? Oh, you in 1st place, Kino? Keep going. You in 1st place, boo. Do y'all want to play again? Okay. Like, we don't like that game. You want to play that, Kino? Look. Where's it going to land? How many tickets are you going to get? 2! Oh, look. You got 35 tickets, Major. Okay. Okay. 1 second. Uh-oh. Look. Look what you won. Hold on, wait. Wait till you finish. Hey, you wanna dance? Hey, 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 get it. Good job. Give me 5. Excuse me, sorry. Shoot him, shoot him. Oh, Major, you out of there. Shoot it, Kino, shoot it. You want to join in, Major? Yeah. What you want to say to them, boo-boo? Huh? Aye? Aye? Hi. We're Major. Oh. Major. Come over here, boo.
I'm gonna hard.
Keno, come get over here. So y'all all can get in. Come on. Let's do this one first. Major. That's not how you get up there. I'm gonna let you play that. Keno, come over here with your brothers first. Come get in here. Keno. You can't? We help you out. Come on. We're gonna put all of y'all in here.
No.
Look at Junior.
Yay, fun.
Is that fun, boo-boo? Look at his face. He enjoying this moment. Turn up. Not yet. It ain't stopped yet. You can't get out yet. You like it? Y'all doing good. Push the duckies through. Hey, cheese. Cheese. Keep squirting it. Oh, you done? Get your tickets. Bring them here. Keno, look up here. Say cheese. Major.
Please return to your table in the showroom. The show starts in 5 minutes.
Keno, you gonna take a picture right here when you're done.
You don't want to miss it. It's gonna blow your mind.
Mate, Jun Jun. Say cheese. You don't like it? Buckle up, Major. I'm about to come over there. Right after baby's done. You don't like it? Look. Keno.
Wow, that was fun. Your picture is now ready.
Boo-boo, cheese. That's pretty.
Is that cool?
Your legs not long enough yet, baby? There you go. Just wait till you come down.
It's me again. This show is about to begin. Are you all ready?
No.
I'm not sure I have everyone.
You gotta wait till they come down, okay?
Are you ready? I said, are you ready?
Hit it when it come up. Hit it when it come up. Look. Hit it. Yep. Hit it. Hit it. When it come up. When it come up.
Really get things started.
Uh-oh. It ain't a start button? You happy?
All right, great to meet you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you today's official Chuck E. Cheese's birthday.
Major, there you go.
Clap your hands. Now stomp your feet. Yeah. You got it.
Uh-oh.
Let's see your hands.
Pull it out. Go ahead. Keep going.
We say happy. You say birthday. Happy. Happy. Clap your hands. Now stomp your feet. Your birthday star at Chuck E. Cheese.
Look at our picture. Uh-oh, look y'all.
Well, I think that's the last.
Go ahead, boo. Go ahead. Oh, you're going fast, Major. Keep rolling. Turn it, turn it. Major? Oh, okay. Go ahead. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. I can see you. Go ahead. You coming down. You don't like it? Look. Look at the brothers. Fun with the sons, right? Oh, poo poo. Poo 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 poo. It's okay. What? Let me see your game face. Show me your game face, you know. Major, let me see your game face, baby. You gotta shoot a little further. A little further. Get it, Major. Uh-oh, almost, Kino. Oh, okay, Kino got one. Good job, Kino. Come on, Major, you gotta get one, boo. Let's go. Jump with it. Come on. That's it. Let me see. You got a spider?
Yeah.
What else you got?
This. And this one.
Okay, and what you got? A whistle?
And
what
I
else?
got one whistle.
Spin top?
I got whistle.
Are y'all happy?
too. I want some
Did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
You had fun, Major?
Yeah.
Cool, let's go. We up.
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
Yeah.
Y'all, we had a blast, okay? And instead of going out to eat, I decided to come home because we've been in. I went and picked him up from school. I went to pick him up from school, then we went straight there. And we was there for about 2 hours, so I'm tired. So I just brought them home. I ain't stopping to get no pizza or nothing. And yeah, we about to eat some sandwiches and some french fries, okay? I'm tired. They ran me dry, okay? They ran me dry, so we about to end this off, y'all. Look who called.
What up?
I'm about to say, you ain't got nothing to say?
Oh shit. Yeah, what's the deal?
Why you?
At work, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? No getting in.
Okay, anyways, love y'all. Enough of Ace. Be going crazy like he just about to go to the party or something.
Give me a banana.
Say bye, y'all.
Bye. I want banana.
Chino, come say bye.
Bye.
Even Junior had a blast, didn't he?
Yeah, I want some candy or
Say-
banana.
Jun, say bye. Oh, he said it. Oh, that's so cute.
Baby, I need